Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechK3. Today let us see the most ultimate privacy OS, that is Tails operating system. Day-to-day life, you may have seen a lot of time ads that are based on your search history or websites you visit or products you view to buy. Thus we can say our data like our search history, interests, any more are being recorded. Maybe the data they collect used for only ads purpose. What if the website is attacked by and got data breach? These data can be easily misused. We have a lot of such issues like keylogger hacking and many more. Then how to have our ultimate privacy? The answer is Tails operating system. Before going for a deep details, let us see installing it in our VirtualBox. Simply go to your browser and search for Tails OS. Link in description box below. Go to the website and click Get Tails. Download the virtual machine ISO file. You can download it from browser or from BitTorrent. Let's start the download in BitTorrent. Let the ISO file download completely. Until the download completes, let's have a quick look on the features of Tails operating system that are mentioned in the website. Tails is a portable operating system that protects against surveillance and censorship. Tails uses completely over Tor system. That is, everything that are sent to internet from Tails OS goes from Tor. You can use Tails in a USB stick, so we can carry live Tails OS in your pocket and go wherever you want and can access internet over Tails. So that there will be no chance of keylogging and blocks hackers present in your public Wi-Fi network. And if you do anything on browser or some other, the Tails deletes everything when you shut down. So there will be no data logging. This operating system is for free to use and it is based on Debian GNU Linux. Do you know, the whistleblower Edward Snowden used the same Tails operating system in his whistleblowing activity. This operating completely runs internet over Tor browser. Even when you visit an internet cafe or using someone's computer, there may be a keylogger watching the activities and noting the things you enter, that is your passwords and many more. So if you carry this USB live Tails OS, just plug in and use it. This OS blocks all the keyloggers. Amnesia. You might have noticed in Tor browser that when you close the browser, the whole data you entered, including your cookies, saved passwords, search history, here the same is applicable to the entire operating system. When you shut down the system, the data logged is completely erased. Coming to persistent storage, we can simply say that persistent storage is a type of encrypted folder, only you can access it. It won't be erased when the system is shut down. You can also add some softwares into it. This is called Tor for Everything system. Here the data step out from PC will be completely through Tor. Here in the picture you can see the person coming from a far place, but he is going to 3 centers and finally coming to that woman. But the woman sitting there think that he is coming from the tree in front of her. This OS runs in the same way. The data you entered in a website go to 3 Tor nodes, finally enters the website. The website think that the data is coming from the front node, but it is not. Thus way, the website you visit from this can't able to access your location. This is what happens, so the websites you visit or the things you do in internet can't be seen by your network provider too, because they can think that you're visiting the front end Tor node, but you're not. This goes through 3 Tor nodes. Now the Tails OS is ready to use. It has many applications such as private email, money transfer through Bitcoin, which is very secure, and many more. Let's check whether the OS is correctly connected to Tor node or not. You can see my IP address is completely changed, not only for Tor browser, but for any application in the Tails OS uses internet must go through Tor. This makes this OS a ultimately privacy one. Let's see the email. This is the most secured email till date. None of the data is read by anyone, they are completely end-to-end encrypted. This makes this email a best one. This Thunderbird email is free to use and can be to anyone. Simply create an account and use it for privacy ones. This Electrum Bitcoin wallet is a Bitcoin wallet specially used in Tails OS. We can put some Bitcoin in there and add to your wallet and make transactions. This is very safe transaction system with Bitcoin wallet and safe to store your Bitcoins here, so none of can able to access it nor mine it. You can see the error that it will open only if we add it to persistent storage, so we can encrypt them in a different manner, and even if someone log into Tails can't access them. The terminal is the best one here. We can do some sudo operations and many more, but no one can trace us nor connect to our terminal. And you can see the amnesia there, which mean the things you done like penetration testing, ethical hacking, all the logs will be erased completely when you shut down the system. And you can also use much more applications which are more advanced and very safe. You can also see the clean UI of the Tails operating system. It runs with GNU Linux. You can also check the Tails documentation for such more information about this operating system. You can customize this OS with a lot of wallpapers and background color which give a eminent view. Tails is also known as Amnesic Incognito Live System, is a security-focused Debian-based Linux distribution aimed at preserving privacy and anonymity. We know that Linux is an open source system, so this is it about Tails as an open source operating system. A question, can we use Tails as an primary operating system? The answer is absolutely no. Because Tails hide us from every aspect, so none of one can trace us or locate us through it. But what if we want to use maps to go somewhere? There is no much more difference if you log into a website through Tails, because if we enter the credentials, the website will know that this person has entered to the website. Here you're completely visible as a person with your name and other credentials. So there is no much more difference in login with our primary OS in a normal web browser nor Tails OS with Tor browser. This OS is not meant for everyday life, and of course you cannot install it as your primary OS because Tails won't store anything in your hard disk. It is completely based on the USB. So without storing anything in hard disk as a such operating system, Tails cannot be used as your primary OS. You can see here that Tails never touches your hard disk. It is totally an isolated system. It never stores anything in your system. It stores only the things in USB only if they are persistent things which we store there. It may be our bitcoins, or the information about that wallet, or any other tools you want to install from third-party resources. Now I am shut downing the system, the things I have done, data logs or another will be completely erased. And lastly, one thing, if you want a complete privacy, never use it in your VirtualBox. I used it just to explain it to you. Here may be the primary OS and VirtualBox also may be monitoring it, so we can't achieve complete privacy in here. It is recommended to use it as live in USB stick. If our video helped you, do like, share it with your friends. If you want any video about something, comment us below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.